How to turn on or turn off call alerts vibrate when call ends on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Phone App and click on this three dot icon and click on Settings. Now, in Call Settings, scroll down and click on Call Alerts and Ringtone. After click on Call Alerts and Ringtone, so you will see Play Tone sorry play if you want to turn on or turn off alert vibrate when call ends vibrate when call ends is here. If you want to turn on vibrate when call ends, so turn on this button. After turn on this button you will see vibrate when call ends is turned on. If you want to turn off vibrate when call ends, so turn off this button. After turn off this button you will see vibrate when call ends is turn off. You will turn on or turn off vibrate when call ends from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off call alerts vibrate when call ends on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.